Hey guys, it's Kylie again. We're doing Sleepover Slime Part 2 because I didn't have time to finish the other one. But now, this is what my slime looks like now. I will show you my dog in a little bit. And yeah, this is how it turned out. It's kind of stringy and not very stretchy. But I'm gonna work with it. I'm gonna take the extra like gluey, gooey stuff and just wipe it on my slime, and hopefully it will make it good. My friend Malia said, it's literally 10:04 right now, but that's not what she said. But yeah, that's the time. But so right now, she told me when she was over here making slime with friends, for my sleepover, she said if you put a ton of that soap in, it will make it like super stretchy, like what I said. Look, it looks like there's like here. Let me just get one out. And this can also be crunchy slime, but it's sleepover slime to me. There's also these little like balls. See, do you see that? And they're in my slime. Like they're like dried. They're like Orbeez. Like I don't know why, but yeah. Here's a good one. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Do you see that right there? It's huge. I mean, it's not huge, but still. There it is. It's weird. Really weird. So I'm gonna go get that. That's why I don't know why I put it back over here. Put it in. Oh gosh, that was so much. My slime will be nice and stretchy now. Ew. Oh, it's slippery. It's gonna hopefully turn stringy. Did you say after it turns like really stringy, then it gets like that? Ew, yep, it's super stringy. That's good. Well, my friend Eva, she has so warm hands, so she like melts slime, and this would be a good sign for her to melt. I need her to melt this right now, and or it's slime also. I can have her melt it with her warm hands. And also, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. This is my second video. The first one was Sleepover Slime Part 1. That was my first video. This is my second video. It's kind of the same video, but yeah. Hey, it's getting better. Look, do you want to hear those crackles? Here. I'll be quiet. Yeah, the TV's on. So, yeah. Crunchy. I love slime so much. Oh my, and please comment in the comment section down below your favorite ice cream, and also what you think I should do for my next video. So yeah, this is turning out really good. Not. Some people use too much activator, like me. Look at this, but look how it's like here. It's longer than my phone, way longer. No, fine. No, I almost fell on the floor. Here, do you want me to you, my dog now? Her name's Gabby. I'll try to get her in here. I don't want to go all the way in my dad's room for nothing. Whoa. Look. So never, ever put slime on your face. Once I did it the first time I made slime ever, and literally it got stuck on my hair. I had to cut it out, which was very bad. Now my hair's shorter, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make something and I'm gonna ask you what it is. Okay? And I'll leave it, the answer in, the comment section down below. Don't know what, yeah, now I know what I'm gonna make. By the way, I have 5 pets. One of them is Gabby. I have I have 2 houses. 2 cats at my other house and 2 bunnies at my other house. This might not be the exact same because it's not the exact same colors, but I'm sorry. I can't do the exact same colors. I'll show you when I'm done. There. Sorry, it's the wrong. Yeah, I can't really show you, but I'll tell you in the comment section down below. And look how good this is now. So just warm it up in your hands, or you can put it under hot water. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Hit the smash that like button, okay? See you in the next video. Goodbye.